04 number 258. Mama calls me often. Let's try from the first. So it's now querying the
DB, the server.
Yes, not the local DB.
Okay.
Yes.
You're using internet or VPN?
We're using wireless LAN.
Wireless LAN.
Yes. Just like Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Yes. But it can also use VPN. It works on both.
Oh.
It depends on how you set it on the PDA.
Wireless LAN iko mpaka uko combined center?
Hapana.
Oh, iko tu within.
Yes, hiyo ndio tunatumia hapa because it's stable. Let's see if it will query anything. Just a random number.
Do you do a print out of the report?
Let's see. Let's try someone else. But it's just a querying feature. It's not.
Understand.
We don't use it too much. Yes.
Maybe you can go to
the next one.
Maybe you can do something else.
Now that one. So leaf buying is now under payment. Okay. So you have to enable GPS. Location.
So for every payment has to come with location.
Yes. So you select the driver of the truck. Let's just try Moshiri truck. Just select a random one. Submit. So here we have the payment screen.
Okay.
So the first thing you'll do is to select the buying center.
Okay.
Come there, you select your center 01. Now this one, farmer number, you have to tap a card.
Oh, for farmer number.
Card.
Okay.
Once you select the center, you tap the card.
Okay.
And then the system picks
the details, the farmer number from the card.
Details.
From the card now.
From the card.
Okay.
Yes. Then, so farmer info and plot are filled in by the card. Then this one picks the receipt weight.
Okay.
Using Bluetooth.
Okay.
Yes. Then once you're done, you
accept.
You accept. Then you
get a receipt.
Yes.
You have a copy of the receipt. Test the scale.
There's weight. You make a weight.
Oh, what
is it? It is weight correctly, isn't it?
Okay.
It's query. Then we go to. You just have the payment.
Just want to take this.
That's the payment. Then we go to query.
It's where we were.
Then there is what else? There is
something you have seen. Import
fertilizer. This is for delivery of fertilizer, isn't it? Fertilizer distribution. That's for extension services, isn't it?
Yes.
And there is that one there. There is this one there. There is that one on the export editor. This is the main one, the main program. And then we have there is that export editor. What is it?
I think this is just to export to Excel. When you have data there, maybe you export a specific thing.
And then delivery is done. There must be a place for deliveries. Export, supply, sync rate. And how does the delivery happen?
Locating location. You don't like it, let's do it like this.
You also need to see the language, isn't it?
Acha tu there's a process nataka kueleweka hiyo change. It automatically seeks data immediately you open up. So in inform is just to get the grower info.
Just the grower info.
It has just the code and something.
The farmer code
Mm-hmm.
and the buying center.
And the name.
Just report. Oh, imekwama.
This one is
These
just
are the
setting
scales,
for
the scales,
for
the
scale.
Bluetooth scales.
The Bluetooth printer is this one. Yes. Printer model.
Okay.
There have been many over the years.
Oh,
So you select which one you're
you're
to
printing
use.
with.
Yes. Then you select the printer itself as a device you have paired.
Mm-hmm.
Then you select the printer that you have paired.
And
The
then
Bluetooth printer. This
These are
PDA
the-
code is just on the server. Factory code is also on the server. All these others.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So what I was saying on the payment, you select your driver, truck number, then you submit, then you change the center. I'll change it to this one,
Okay.
03, so that we can just test the NFC card.
Okay.
Then you tap.
0436.
Please select it.
Oh, it has to start with the test farmer.
Oh, always.
Always when you go to the center.
So this one is where you now test the scale, isn't it?
0436.
You have to have the scale connected.
But you can hear it's giving me the number,
Okay.
436.
Okay.
So it's reading, it's actually
0436.
Okay.
0436 is the farmer code,
Yeah.
but 3 is the center.
So you only keep only the farmer code and the center on
Yes,
that card.
yeah, yes.
The rest will come from the server.
Yes.
And this one, you, and this, and this, and this, and
So
this, and
03 is the
this-
center.
and this-
KW003 is the
It's the
center.
center.
And of course
Yes,
now
you
this
go for
one,
the safe
you write
code.
it yourselves here, isn't it?
The,
The
Yeah.
cards, you write them.
yes, we write them here.
You write them. Just
Yes.
another then, who does the branding?
The branding, they come unbranded. So we print
Mm.
and we write.
Printing,
here.
printing, you do it here.
Yes.
The coloring.
Yes,
Including the colors.
no,
So-
not the colors. It comes the green only.
Oh,
But
so
we
you put the
The,
name.
the, the,
name
the
of the
others you print
factory,
here.
the name of the farmer, and these are the details.
So this one you do here.
Yes,
Plus of course now encoding it inside with the software.
yes,
The code now
Yes.
the number.
yes, and coding.
You see, when you code it, that's it with the card.
That's it.
That's
Now
it.
it goes to the farms.
Yes. Umeshika?
So
Yes.
Once you code it, that's it.
Have we looked at anything else?
So calibration scale.
what
does
about
it have?
export data? What does it export?
Exporting data is when he has finished buying at the center. If he wants to export the data to the server over the VPN, he just taps on this. Okay.
So it's the same thing like synchronization.
It's just like
So it's syncing.
synchronizing. It's just syncing.
So it's not right. You do it manually after you finish. You export.
After you finish buying at the center, you produce
you
the
send
D
it.
note,
Mhm.
and then you
So the D note you must produce the D note,
must produce
and
the
then,
D
and then,
note,
and then you set the data
and
here.
then you send the data.
Where do you generate the data, the D note?
The D note you
The
select
D note
where?
is at the end of buying center. Yes.
Automatically it generates or
No. You
you
create
key in
a
the
D note.
details? Or you put a D note.
Where do you create it here? The D note.
The D note.
There's the option for create the D note.
Hapo kwa
It's
wiki.
at the end of payment.
It's under the payment.
Yes, it's under payment.
So after you finish, then you And after you finish all the payments, isn't it?
After you finish all the payments.
That's when you do the denote, isn't it?
Yes, you
For that
accept,
particular
accept.
That's percent, isn't it?
When you submit,
It produces the denote, or you have to key in
tells
details.
you- it produces a denote.
Yes.
It asks you how many bags are you loading
Yes.
on the lorry.
Uh-huh.
Because you know when you're weighing, there
Yes.
are bits of bags,
Yeah.
but you consolidate them, then you load them onto.
Does
the-
it consolidate also the weight?
Uh,
Or the denote does not
The-
include the weight?
the denote includes the receipt weight, what you have
Receipt
weighed
weight
for the
from-
farmers.
Yes, the total.
The total
Receipt
and
weight.
a list.
These of
Do
all
you,
farmers.
do you have a copy of the denote?
Yes, I can bring a copy.
Give us a copy of the denote so
of
that we
the
can
denote.
also. We can also have to least have the somehow it looks
But
like.
I wish if you had the manual,
Before you start.
I understand where the testing is done.
So just to ensure that
So if you say it's 10 and it doesn't
to
reach
give the
10,
assurance to the farmers
Then of
that,
course we're not going to proceed.
Yes.
Not going to proceed. So it's a logic there. It's that logic.
Send you a soft copy of the
And also
manual.
the hybrid one.